In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A35 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and hitting Connections. Then choose Bluetooth and tap on this switcher if it's not already on to activate it. Now tap on one of your available devices you wish to connect to. Select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, after that, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!